Hey guys, welcome back.
Let's go get some more food.
Yay.
Can I eat all your food in your fridge?
Yeah.
Let's waste all your electricity. Ew, I don't want that. I want
No.
Wait, can I have a candy cane?
Another one?
No, I never had one.
Okay. I'm making a grilled cheese sandwich. Do you want to share it?
Ew, that's weird.
Do you want to share it?
No.
Oh.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah.
But you better not take the biggest slice again and then eat the smallest one as well. I got the medium.
Okay.
Wait, did we wake up your kid?
No. Amelia is asleep. Oh yeah. Okay, now you have a piece. Oh my gosh, that was so good. I might eat it all.
No, it's my turn. You can share my lemonade.
Huh? Oh, yum yum. My turn. Did you even take a bite?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I ate it all. Oh, thanks for the lemonade.
Yeah, I gave you a tiny sip. I'm gonna blend some stuff. What do I blend? An apple.
I'm gonna get a frozen
Why won't you
meal.
let me blend an apple?
Are you silly? Are you cereal?
I'm cereal. I eat cereal. That's what I'm cereal for.
Oh my god. Look at her butt.
Ew, you're so
Do you want to share this frozen meal with me?
I'm gonna have a water bottle. What's that? But you better not eat it all again.
I only had one piece. No, it's your turn. My turn.
Wait, where did I put my water? Now I put it in the
Oh,
blender.
I ate it all.
Hallie!
I have house bills.
Whoopsies. I might have been using your fridge a bit too much.
A bit. I have
Oh, I'm gonna cook.
pour.
Ew, I don't want to cook anymore. What? Why does my car say
I'm
1, 2, 3?
fertilizing a mushroom so I can sell it
Well,
and then get money.
Can you remake it?
I'll be rated.
Because I want to. Whoopsies. Emily, I didn't know what this was. I'm watering your
There you
plant.
go.
I'm watering your plant.
What should I eat? Let's make let's make a cake.
Ooh, sounds good. I think I'm gonna take something from your fridge again.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry, they're delicious. Oh my
I'm
God.
gonna make some
Red.
red velvet cupcakes.
Ew. Yeah. Should I take a carrot? Ooh. Can I have some canned beans?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have some canned beans.
Ew.
Watch me eat it from the tin.
Oh,
Ew,
cold beans.
Do you want some Smuckers?
Come on, hurry up. Well, let's make me a
Want some?
coffee to make me way more
you want some?
energized.
Do you want some of my beans?
Sure.
Sorry. I thought you were gonna say no. You can have some. You can have the smallest amount.
Thanks, very kind. I ate them all.
No, I ate 2 portions. I like your house. I like these chairs. They look like my chairs in real life.
I know, right?
I swear they are the same.
I'm making new red velvet cupcakes to go on my new cupcake stand.
Where's the cupcake stand?
It's not.
That's this one?
Yeah.
But that's a cake stand, not a cupcake.
Oh, schmack. They'll fit. Don't you worry.
Should I get some chicken nuggets?
Yeah, but something is in the oven right now.
Why don't you get 2 ovens?
I'm not made of money.
Is it done yet?
No.
What about now?
No, you look for yourself. It will be done when it goes green.
Green?
Yeah.
Green.
When we're done, we should go to the shop and buy loads of stuff.
Yeah, to put in your fridge. So I can eat it all. I'm living at your house, okay?
Okay.
I've moved in.
You're literally just moved into my fridge.
Okay, fine, I'll move into your fridge.
No, that's literally where you are.
Do the take a quick meal thing or something.
Yeah.
Like, just like go onto it, like you read like the content, and then I'll go in. Now close it. What? It didn't work.
Oh, I think cupcakes are ready.
Now I can make my chicken nuggets.
And then no more food because we're now going to go to the shops.
Oh, we might like die. Wait, why did sauce go in the oven?
I know, what? Ah! Cupcakes.
Let's see. No, Emily, you can't eat one yet.
Why not?
We have to have chicken nuggets first. And then they're going to take forever. I'm done.
Fine, I'm going to eat something while I wait.
I just choked.
Good for
From
you.
the-
I'm
You're
going to
not-
have a box of chocolates.
So unhealthy.
You're not allowed any.
Oh, can I please?
Fine.
Just one. I took the one I wanted.
Ugh, I wanted that one. Ugh.
Oh, whoopsies. I took another.
Oh, that's my favourite.
Oh, I'm taking another.
Yes, my
Oh,
favourite.
yes, look at the one I got.
That's my second favourite. I got the last one.
Ew.
Should we get another box of chocolates?
Maybe.
You
Yeah.
buy it then.
No, how much is it?
Not much.
How much, Emily? Orange is it?
£100. It's
Um,
99.
no, thanks.
Ugh. Get
Do
out.
you want to buy another?
No, I only have like.
Fine, let's
much.
both buy ice pops.
Nah, I'm good with my chicken nuggets.
I'm getting an ice pop. I've got my ice pop. Emily, these are mine.
Oh, well, I'm eating them.
I'm eating my ice pop. I'm gonna shove
You
it
ate
in.
my £100 box of chocolates. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.